In my experience, a narcissist doesn't apologize. They wait for you to calm down as a reaction to what they did. They just wait. They hit a reset button and pretend like nothing ever happened. They want you to pretend as well that they didn't hurt you or try to gaslight you or abuse you in any way. They want to just act like the damage never happened. They want you to think that the damage they caused is a misunderstanding on your part. That's not healing. That's not conflict resolution. That is abuse and manipulation. I grew up with narcissistic caregivers, and I've realized now as an adult that I was drawn to narcissistic individuals, friendships, or romantic because it was familiar to me. I grew up with it. It was something that I was conditioned to deal with. And I can now see how my conditioning created a pattern of familiarity for my nervous system and reenactment of trauma that I experienced as a child. Now I can see the parallel between what I experienced in childhood and the choices I made as an adult.